Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad 5 has a cracked screen, you may find it challenging to use your device effectively. This issue often arises from impacts or accidental drops, leading to fractures that can affect your viewing experience. If left unaddressed, a cracked screen can worsen, potentially causing further internal damage and increasing repair costs. To resolve this issue, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement LCD cover. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry apart the back cover gently. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the internal components. After opening the device, locate the cracked screen, which is typically attached with several screws around its edges. Carefully disconnect any cables that are connected to the screen, making note of their positions for reassembly. When removing the old screen, gently lift it using the suction cup, which will help avoid damaging any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old screen is removed, take your new LCD cover and align it properly with the hinges and connectors. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you previously removed. Reconnect any cables carefully, ensuring they are seated properly to avoid any display issues later. After everything is secure, reattach the back panel by aligning it correctly and pressing down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, power on your device to ensure the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the screen on your Lenovo Ideapad 5. To prevent future damage, consider using a protective case or screen protector which can help absorb impacts. Always handle your device with care, and avoid placing it in precarious positions where it might fall. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.